And this is regarding the Rohit Vemula case. Now, Rohit Vemula's family met Chief Minister Revanth Reddy, and in fact, Rohit Vemula's brother said that he thanks the Chief Minister for the opportunity to meet him, and he also said that the Chief Minister has given assurance that the case will be re-investigated, and he has also promised free and fair investigation. And in fact, the brother of Rohit Vemula also said that the Chief Minister has promised that justice will be delivered. In fact, CNN News 18 Swastika Das spoke with Rohit Vemula's brother. Let's listen in.
It's not like that, and we asked him to reinvestigate it, and he listens to us, and he promised to reinvestigate it in a fair and transparent manner.
Okay.
We wanted to reinvestigate it. We don't believe in the report which has been prepared in the previous government.
While a new investigation will be opened up, Raja, I want to understand from you what is it that the closure report, whatever the facts that have been stated in the closure reports, it says that it raises questions on Rohit Vemula's caste. How do you respond to that?
The investigation is on again. Let us wait for the reinvestigation. And coming to the caste status, that was not finalized from the district collector. So we are waiting. We are still waiting for the final report.
Do you see any political agenda in this?
From Congress party, no. From Congress party, I don't see any political agenda. They are doing their best, and the government is doing their best, and they promised us to do the fair and transparent inquiry.
Okay. I want to read out some excerpt from the closure report itself, which has in fact raised the whole controversy. It says that Rohit Vemula himself does not belong to the SC community, and his mother got him SC certificate. This could be one of the constant fears as exposed, as the exposure of the same would put him at the threat of losing an academic year. How do you counter
that? That was not true. If you say if you take his educational career, you understand how he came into this, the level of PhD. So we are SC Mala community. We belong to SC Mala community. So the report was not true. So that's why we came to meet Chief Minister of Telangana, and we asked for a re-inquiry.
Okay.
And he promised it. Now it's on.
There is one more thing I want to learn from you, Raja. The same report says that your mother belongs to the Mala community, but she was raised by a family which belongs to the OBC caste. This is mentioned in the report.
She belongs to SC Mala community, and she was raised by the Vadera community, BC community. That is true. That will come out.
Okay.
And Swastika Das is now joining us on this story. Swastika, so the family of Rohit Vemula met the Chief Minister. Can you give us more details about the meeting?
Well, yes, the Chief Minister has assured complete cooperation to the family, and the big step in that way is the state government re-initiating investigation into the whole matter and giving its nod to the Telangana DGP to look at all the facts. And because this happened, because the family members of Rohit Vemula raised apprehensions yesterday, they said that the entire report has been forged, their versions have not been taken up, and this was being done hastily. Now, responding to that, this is of course a big, I would say, this closure report had put the Congress in a spot, and to avoid any kind of further damage, because the BJP was constantly attacking the Congress over the matter, the state government has definitely initiated a probe into the whole matter. Back to you.
Also, Swastika, could you give us more details about what exactly the closure report states?
Three things, three highlights from the closure report. Number one, it says the whole gamut or investigation surrounding the fact that Rohit Vemula was a Dalit has been negated in that report. It says Rohit Vemula was not from the Dalit community allegedly. His family was raised by somebody who belonged to the OBC caste. His mother allegedly forged certificates and documents to show otherwise. Point number two, the whole premises that Rohit Vemula was driven to suicide on the basis of caste violence and caste atrocities that he may have faced in itself stands nullified, because the report says Rohit Vemula did not belong from the OBC belong to the Dalit community. Before I respond further, I do have Congress MLC here, Balamur Venkat, joining us. In fact, you were also part of that meeting with the Chief Minister. Give me the word from the government side.
See, our Chief Minister has promised that he will reinvestigate the entire issue and justice will be given to Rohit Vemula's family and the Dalit community, like students who are enrolled at that time.
Now, this entire report in itself was filed by the state government's police, the state police itself. Do you think this has put you in a whole spot? Is there a flip-flop from the government side?
See, from the beginning, our stand is very clear. We were with Rohit Vemula and Radhika Vemulaji and Raja Vemulaji. Rahul Gandhi ji is the only leader who stood by the family from the beginning. The investigation report which has been submitted, investigation was completed in 2018 when BRS government was in power, which was in hand in glove with BJP government. And intentionally this report comes out and BJP people try to politicize this issue targeting Congress party. But they are forgetting that from the beginning, Rahul ji and Congress party and our Chief Minister Revanth Reddy ji was with the family.